Okay, we're back for the second flight of this A4 Skyhawk. I brought the high rates of the ailerons down to 80%. Yeah, because ailerons have more than enough throw. And everything's the same. Actually, the battery's been moved up just a hair to bring it a little bit more on the nose heavy side to CE. Oh, and the rudder was adjusted actually. It was a half turn coming to the left. I should have everything centered. Okay. Oh, why is it doing that? Look at that.
I thought you were doing that.
Not on purpose. It was just doing some odd behavior with me. I decided at full throttle, had to level itself out. Why does it do that? Okay, my bad.
I didn't see nothing.
I don't know why it does that, man. It just...
Is it tipping on you?
Yeah, yeah. Hey, do you know why it would do that?
So what's it doing? Like you pull at the top of a loop and it kind of...
Yeah, it just... I can't pull it through. Like...
So it kind of tip stall at the top of a loop?
Yeah. Hold on. Let's try this again. Hold on. Stay up high. Well, it was fine with that one.
But I think I know what you mean.
What? Right there, it was about to.
Yeah.
It was about to turn over right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's probably just getting very close to the critical angle of attack. Super critical angle of attack at the top of a loop there. My little MiG 15 that I have would do that a lot.
Really?
It would just suddenly it would do an Immelman without...
Let's see. Oh, it'll go. There you go. Okay. Well, at least it did the reverse. Okay. Okay. This definitely has some roll authority. I brought the rates down to like 80%.
It's a pretty airplane.
Thank you. The scooter, I guess it's called. The scooter.
John McCain special.
Ooh, the wind's coming from my back now. The wind shifted a little bit.
Low battery.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at how fast that's been.
35 seconds, 22.3 volts.
Oh.
Got plenty of power.
Yeah, it's a good 80.
That got off the ground really quick.
Yeah. All right, landing from the left. I'm going all the way out.
Low battery. Flaps 1. Flaps 2. Timer 1. Up.
Go. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Flaps 1. Flaps 1.
Good flight 2.